jolt and then you'll die.
Welcome back, guys. In this video we will see how to download and install MySql on our Windows 10 environment. So before the installation we will see where the software was used. So this has a wide range of applications such as data warehousing, and e-commerce is the most used application where this software has been hands-on there very much. Okay, so this is a relational database management system, and MySQL Workbench is a place where we work on the logical databases to create databases and work on the tables, right? So we will see how to download the software on our PC. Okay. For that, simply open your favorite browser. Okay, and simply type developer.mysql.com. Okay. Yeah, you will witness this page, right? So simply please navigate to the download section here. Okay. So you will find some link like MySQL community GPL downloads here. So click on this link. Okay, you will find some numerous links here. Ignoring all these links, simply click on community server. You will know why you are clicking on that in a minute. So simply click on the operating system that you are working on. It's like Ubuntu or Parrot or Debian or Kali Linux or everything. So I am working on Microsoft Windows as of now. Okay, and you will find some two zip folders also here. Why can't we download these two zip folders here only? Okay, so extracting the zip folders and extracting the setup file, and it's a huge hectic process. So it is advisable to go to download page once, and there you will find two more links here. What are the difference between these two more links? One is 2.4 MB and one is 435.7 MB. So first is a web community link. That means while you are installing, the internet is mandatory and all the required packages will be installed from the internet only. So I think it is not the advisable download, because if any interrupt has been occurred, the all the installation has been corrupted, right? So you have to download this. Okay, simply click on this. So please don't give any credentials here. So simply click on no times, just start my download. Okay. Okay, your setup file has been started download. I'll simply pause that as I already have that setup file. So this is the file that you are going to witness
section. I'm simply double clicking on that and giving all the permissions. Okay, so this was the pop-up that you are going to witness. So what the use that you are MySQL using for? Something like developer default and server only. So these are all the options that you can set. So as I'm a beginner, I will select it because I don't know much about MySQL. Okay, simply click on next. Okay, this was the file location where this file has been stored. Okay, I will keep all the default. Okay, okay, I will simply click on next as I didn't have any Visual Studio Code in my PC. Okay, if you have, you can integrate Visual Studio Code also. So these are all the packages that you are going to witness when the MySQL has been installed. So these are all the packages. So click on execute. So these are all the packages ready to download. Whenever you click on execute, they will be downloaded one by one. Okay, some things like connectors and MySQL documentations and Workbench. So Workbench is the major package here, so we are going to work on it. Okay, it's a huge software, it may take a little bit of time. So I'm pausing here. So whenever the all these things get installed, I will come back. Okay, meanwhile stay tuned.
pretty cool, guys. All the packages are installed, the curtains are open now. So simply click on next. Okay. Okay, you have to set your password and remember that password. So I am giving that password. Okay, conflict. Okay, so the password will be checked for a main web. Okay, it has been checked. After getting this green tick, simply click on next. Okay, standard system account. So okay, I will simply click on execute. After click on execute, you will find these are all checking. Okay, the server is checking for the root and everything. Okay, simply click on finish. Yep. Okay, so no need to touch all these things. Okay, you have to give the password that you have given there. Okay, simply click on check. So okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. The connection has been succeeded. Okay, right? Execute. So the scripts and everything will be run now. The packages that we have installed in the previous, so they will be running now. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, simply click on finish. Yeah. Okay, so no need to touch all these things. Yeah, ready. My IDE has been opening. Okay, so this was the shell, right? So this is the MySql shell. So you can open and write your commands here, or else you can open your IDE also. So this was the IDE. Okay, so simply click on the post that you are created. So okay, that's it, guys. So this was known as query pan, and it was known as snippet pan, everything. Okay, so while you click on new model, you will going to witness all these things where you can work. So this is known as MySQL workbench. So if you want any videos on database management system, please ping in the comment section. We will make videos on that. So in this pandemic situation, stay at home and stay healthy. Okay, thanks for supporting the channel, guys. Thank you very much.